Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver in Google Chrome step by step so you can reduce power usage, background activity, and battery drain on your laptop. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you use Chrome for long periods, especially when you're working unplugged or trying to stretch your battery life. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corners of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From there, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page, where you can control different features, privacy options, appearance settings, and performance tools. Now, on the left side of the settings page, look for performance and click it. This is where Chrome keeps its efficiency features, including options that help reduce battery usage and keep the browser running more smoothly. Once you're in performance, look for energy saver. This is the feature that helps Chrome automatically lower power usage when needed. To turn it on, simply switch energy saver to on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will begin using power saving behavior in the background, which can help extend battery life and reduce unnecessary resource use. After that, you may see additional options for when battery saver activates. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might be able to choose something like turning it on only when the battery is at 20%, or turning it on whenever the device is unplugged. Pick the option that makes the most sense for how you use your laptop. If you're often away from a charger, turning it on when unplugged is usually the most convenient choice. If you want to conserve battery only when it gets low, the 20% option may be better. And that's it. Chrome's battery saver or energy saver mode is now enabled. From this point on, your browser should be a little more battery friendly while you browse, watch videos, and work online. This is a great setting to know about if you want to reduce battery drain without changing the way you normally use Chrome too much. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, helpful browser tips, and simple fixes you can use every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.